Create your own AI agent in Microsoft Copilot in under a minute, straight from a folder in OneDrive. No coding needed. Just a few clicks and you'll have a custom agent ready to use. Choose your folder. Open OneDrive and navigate to the folder you want your agent to be based on. This is the knowledge source your agent will use to answer questions and help you work smarter. Create the agent. Click the Copilot icon inside the folder, then select Create Agent. Give your agent a name and a short description of what it should do, like summarizing files, answering questions, or helping your team find information fast. Hit Create, and that's it. Your agent is now available directly inside your Copilot app, ready to help you and your team. The whole thing takes less than a minute. Give it a try today.